Hello, welcome to Summer R.I.S.E Open House. My name is Annie Blankenship, and I am the principal of the summer school program.
And my name is Nicole Ferguson. I'm the lead teacher here at Madison Park.
We have pre-K, kindergarten, first, and second grade. The vision statement of Summer R.I.S.E is ready to inspire success in everyone. We want to be able to use this time in the summer to propel our students forward for them to achieve greatness. The mission of Summer R.I.S.E in Trotwood-Madison City Schools is to promote academic excellence and prepare students for the 21st century through engaging and collaborative instruction that fosters communication, critical thinking, and creativity in every learner. We celebrate the pursuit of lifelong learning and instill in our students high expectations.
Meet our preschool team. They are representing Yellowstone National Park. We have Miss Brunk, Miss Gruza, Miss Mallory, and Miss Brown.
Next up is the kindergarten team. We have Miss Beege, who represents the Grand Canyon, Miss Dexter, who represents Glacier National Park, Miss Walter, who represents the Great Smoky Mountains, Miss Wilson-Candler, Miss Keaton, and Miss Balgaris, who is also our clinic coach.
Meet our first grade team. We have Miss Loesch representing Yosemite, Miss Boer representing Zion, Miss Walter representing the Great Smoky Mountains, Miss Pope representing Denali, Miss Stewart, Miss Arnold, and Miss Ridley.
Next up is the second grade team. Miss Walker represents the Great Smoky Mountains, Miss Pope represents Biscayne, Miss Collier represents Hawaii volcanoes, and Miss Jackson.
And we have our STEM teachers, Miss Myers, Miss Waldron, Mr. Lucas, and Mr. Howard.
And then we have our admin and office team, myself and Nicole, as well as Miss Murray, who you'll see at the front office, and Miss Baker, who is in the back office. Through Summer R.I.S.E, we want to promote academic excellence, but we also want to represent and teach the whole students. So we want to instill in our students our core values. The first week, we did belonging. Next week, we will focus on kindness. The third week will be friendship, and the fourth week will be confidence.
During Summer R.I.S.E, our campers can earn camper claps. These are shout-out tickets for having positive behavior and demonstrating the Rams way. So that means showing respectful, accountable, motivated, and self-control behaviors.
Students will earn camper claps, and they will have an opportunity to get their name drawn and win prizes at the end of each day. Ask your student if they've earned a camper clap this week. They could earn the Happy Camper, the Trailblazer, and some more hard work. So here's a look at your camper schedule. From 8:30 to 9 is breakfast and community time in the classroom. This is a chance for campers to bond and form a community with their camper classmates. Then in the morning from 9 to 12 is math and reading. Then we break for lunch and recess from 12 to 1 o'clock. And then in the afternoon, it's enrichment and STEM activities.
For reading during Summer R.I.S.E, we have 3 different curriculums that we are using. Lit Camp is our core curriculum, working on our comprehension skills. The campers are using songs, movement activities, read alouds, and a lot of fun activities with that. Our Reading Horizons programming is our phonics development, making sure our students know our letter sounds, blending words together. And then we have Haggerty, which is working on phonemic awareness, making sure we understand all those sounds that we hear in our words.
We will be promoting awesome reading through this program.
Our math curriculum is called Do the Math. That is our core curriculum. Each grade is working on a different skill. We have number core, addition, and subtraction. We are using our R.I.S.E learning path, so the students will be getting a chance to go on their computers and keep working on their learning path just like throughout the school year. And we're going to be doing number talks in their circle time with their teachers.
We also have excellent enrichment and STEM opportunities in the afternoon. We have our STEM teachers, so focusing on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Students will be completing hands-on activities to increase the love of STEM and their understanding. We also have an incredible music program with us where they're going to be using instruments and singing and being on the computer and working with friends. Soccer shots will be coming later this summer. Dade Yoga from the city of Dayton is here with us promoting yoga practices. And Miss Balgaris is our athletic coach who is teaching our students new and exciting sports that students may not be familiar with. And on Fun Fridays, we have Carillon Park, Science Saturdays, and Boonshoft coming to do amazing displays and assemblies. We are so excited for you to be here, and we want you to have a chance to meet your teacher, tour the school, and have a chance to complete our scavenger hunt. So you have already checked off the first item on your scavenger hunt, which is the welcome video in the gym. So make sure before you leave the gym to obtain one of your cards so you can get this part checked off. And then next up, you can go to any site next. It doesn't matter the order. We have crafting in the cafeteria, and we have some surveys in our library. And then go to your classroom to meet your teacher. And then finally, visit our photo backdrop in the main foyer. Take a picture with you and your camper and make sure you post it on social media, #SummerRise to earn some bonus points. Once you've visited all these places here at Madison Park, come to the foyer, turn in your card, and you will earn a sweet treat. We're so glad you're here. We do want to share with you some exciting moments that we've had from this first week. So please enjoy our slideshow. Thank you so much for joining us for our open house. We wish you the best of luck on our scavenger hunt, and we hope you have a wonderful summer. Thank you.